today's section balance of equation 11th standard redox reaction based on two method. One oxidation number method, another one ion electrons method, or another one name is called off reaction method. So first to discuss oxidation number method. So already you are learned for oxidation number calculated for every equation, every molecular formula like that metal atoms and gaseous atoms. So first we will be given the equation. LHS part is mention of reactant part, ferrous sulfate, potassium permanganate, sulfuric acid gives product part, ferrous sulfate, manganese sulfate, potassium sulfate, water molecules. So LHS part is a reactant part, RHS part is a product part, students. First of all, we will be every metal atoms and every atoms will be calculate of reactions involved to give the product. How many electrons involved will be calculated for oxidation reduction method. For first of all, you will be measure with oxidation number. Ferrous sulfate, so Fe atom will be X mentioned. So X sulfur atom 1 into oxidation number is 6. So how to the sulfur is oxidation number 6? Here already known for hydrogen atom, sulfur mention of X, 2 times of hydrogen, oxidation number plus 1, 2 into plus 1 plus sulfur 1 into X plus 4 times of oxide atom. So oxide atom oxidation number minus 2, 4 into minus 2. So next step 2 plus X, 4 2s are minus 8. So next X minus 6 equal to 0, X equal to 6. So sulfur atom oxidation number plus 6 is also mentioned. So from the equation for the reactant part ferrous sulfate, sulfur is plus 6, 1 into plus 6 plus 4 into oxygen oxide atom already known for oxidation number minus 2. So X plus 1 into 6, 6, 4 2s are minus 8 equal to 0. So minus 8 plus 6 equal to X minus 2 equal to 0, X plus equal to plus 2. So ion oxidation number plus 2 is also mentioned here. Next will be potassium. Potassium oxidation number plus 1, students. So outermost valence of subcell, example like that atomic number 19. So easily calculated 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s1. Only one electrons loss possible. So plus 1 electron configuration. Oxidation number. So 1 time of potassium 1 into plus 1. So manganese is also X plus 4 time of oxide atom 4 into minus 2. Multiply 4 into minus 2 equal to 0. So 1 into 1 1 plus X, 4 2s are 8 minus 8 equal to 0. So minus 8 plus 1 minus 7, students. X equal to RHS part 7, X equal to 7. 7 electrons involved of the reaction of manganese atom. So plus 7 oxidation number. So already known for reactant part sulfur plus 6. So what are the involved of the reactant part, students? Fe ion 2 electrons involved with the reaction, manganese ions plus 7 electrons involved of the reaction, sulfur atom plus 6 electron involved of the reaction with oxide atom hydrogen protons. What is mean by hydrogen protons? This will be hydrogen, 1 electrons loss means is also protons. So product part, students, will be same calculated Fe2 SO4 thrice. So X means Fe ions, 2 into X equal to Fe. So sulfur atom 1 into 3, 1 into 3, first atom will be calculated. So next oxide atom 4 into 3, 12. So you will be apply of the formula 2X plus 3 into plus 6 plus 12 into minus 2 equal to 0. 2X 3 6 are 18 and 4 into minus 2 minus 24. So minus 24 plus 18 minus 6. 2x minus 6 equal to 0. X equal to 6 by 2. X equal to plus 3. So Fe product part is the oxidation number plus 3. Next we will be calculate manganese sulfate. So manganese M equal to 1 time also X mentioned, sulfur 1 time is also 1, oxidation number 6, 1 into 6 plus 4 into minus 2 oxide atom equal to 0. So X plus 6 minus 8 equal to 0, X minus 2 equal to 0, X equal to plus 2. Manganese oxidation number students plus 2. And next will be sulfur atom is already known. So when we calculated the same oxidation number method given the water molecules. So first step will be find out the oxidation number. The oxidation reduction process will be mentioned. So LHS part Fe2 plus, RHS part Fe3 plus. Again 1 electrons loss extra. So loss of electron oxidation mentioned students. And next reactant part manganese is plus 7, but product part plus 2. So gain of remaining how many students? 5 electrons remaining gain of manganese. So gain of electrons reduction process. So ion is one of the reaction, loss of electron oxidation. Manganese also reduction process involved of the redox reaction. Step 2 loss of electrons property and gain of electrons property will be considered students is how many electrons loss and how many electrons gain. For concept of mole concept is loss of electrons will be mentioned. How many electrons are equal to Fe ion and manganese ion. So equate the reaction. How many electrons involved to the 2 into 1 electrons is also 1 electrons will be right first. Here near of the ion 1 electrons. Manganese is also recollect of the reduction process 5 electrons. So 1 5. So first of all step equate to the reactions. How many electrons involved of 2? So multiply with 2. So multiply with 2. So 1 into 2 2, 5 into 2 10. So here answer will be worked out for the ferrous sulfate equate balance. Here answer 2 is a potassium permanganate equate the balance. So write of 10 and 2. Balance of the reactant and product part. How to the balance? So already product part 2 Fe ions. Okay students, will be consider first of all work out, and next step 3 balance the reactant and the product part. So electrons method will be applied 10 time of ferrous sulfate and 2 time of potassium permanganate, sulfuric acid, and product part Fe ions is also reactant part and product part equal. Reactant part side 10 mole of Fe ions and 2 mole of manganese. 2 mole of manganese. The balance product part will be changes apply. So apply to the variation 10 mole of ferrous sulfate ions, 10 time of Fe ions. So product part will be apply of 5 into 2 10. So 5 into 2 10 ions will be work out, and the reactant part 2 time of manganese ion, 2 into manganese. So will be work out for mention of 2 will be work out. So step 4 balance of other elements. So what is the balance of other elements? So reactant part is also ferrous sulfate complete, potassium permanganate complete. Here also ferrous sulfate complete and potassium permanganate complete. So 2 into manganese 2. Here also reactant part 2 into manganese 2 will be correct. But compared to that other elements, sulfur atom and hydrogen atom, potassium atom will be considered how many sulfur atom present. So first of all you will be right the consider of the sulfur atom product side. 1 into 3 sulfur atom into 5 times. So 15 sulfur atom in ferrous sulfate side. Next 2 into sulfur, 1 2 sulfur atom manganese sulfate side, and next potassium sulfate 1 sulfur atom, total 18 sulfur atom will be product side. So reactant side only apply sulfuric acid is how many times students will be apply. So already 10 in reactant side, consider 10 into 1 10 time of sulfur, so remaining RHS side 18 sulfur, so remaining only 8, so 8 apply for sulfuric acid, equate the balance of reaction. Consider here also complete, here also complete, so 8 times will be apply. So product side 18 sulfur, reactant side first of all only ferrous sulfate side only 10 sulfur, so apply of the 8 into 1 8, so 18 sulfur will be balanced. And last step will be apply of the hydrogen and oxygen atom. So is the one of the trick students, how many protons is also here, hydrogen atom is will be protons, so 8 into 2 16 protons in the reactant side, but the product side only 2, so that 8 directly apply to water molecules, so equate the balance is also completely. So 8 into 2 16 protons is also complete. So from the reactant and product the balancing equation will be completed, students. This is a book method. Another now students will be well students or electronic configuration method. So trick is also discussed now. From the equation is a trick method, you will be calculator of oxidation number, direct easy method from the trick. Outermost valence of cell, what is the students, ferrous sulfate, reactant part manganese potassium permanganate and sulfuric acid, product side ferrous sulfate, manganese sulfate, potassium sulfate and water molecules. First of all will be oxidation reduction will be mentioned main element, so Fe ions and manganese ions. Here reactant side Fe ions, manganese ions, product side Fe ions, manganese ions. So first of all Fe original atomic configuration 26 atomic number, outermost configuration short ratio argon 3d6 4s2, so outermost valence of electron involved of the reaction, so involved of the reaction possible 2 electrons will be lost is the trick. So directly enter the students +2. And next manganese, outermost configuration 3d5 4s2, involved of the reaction 7 electrons, all are unpaired electrons, so 7 electrons inward in unpaired electrons from 3d orbitals, so involved of the reaction 7 electrons, 5 plus 2 7 electrons. So next step will be loss of only 2 electrons loss possibilities, so it will be involved of the reaction 7 electrons mentioned is the +7, students. Next will be is the product side, will be again is the oxidation process, you will be calculate oxidation number means 3d6, again 1 electrons will be lost, 3d orbital is the half filled, so again 1 electrons loss possible. How to the possible is the outermost electronic configuration is a 3d6 1 2 3 4 5 6, this is a 1 electrons again lost, so half filled is a oxidation of Fe2 plus 2 Fe3 plus of product side, so mention +3. So here already known, again loss of properties means 2 electrons only lost, 5 electrons recollect, so 5 electrons recollect means so only loss of +2, students. So easily write off oxidation number for outermost electronic configuration. Next oxidation reduction easy find out, Fe2 plus 2 Fe3 plus means oxidation, +7 to +2 decrease, so reduction. So how many electrons involved, Fe2 plus 2 to Fe3 plus 1 electrons loss, Fe manganese +7 to manganese +2 5 electrons recollect is also decrease means 5 electrons involved, students. So find out the apply of plus 2 plus 7 plus 3 plus 2 oxidation state. So already laws of involved reactions. First of all, same method you will be right, 1 electrons, here also 5 electrons. So apply into 2, so 1 into 2 2, 5 into 2 10. So crash is applied. So 10 time of ferrous sulfate, 2 time of permanganate, potassium permanganate. So involve of the short step students, 10 time of ferrous sulfate, 5 2s are 10 is also balance, and 2 time of manganese, so balance of 2. So you see easily single step. And the next will be sulfur and oxygen hydrogen atom. Consider sulfur 1 into 3 3 into 5 15 sulfur atom, 2 into 1 2 sulfur atom, 1 into 1 sulfur atom, 18 sulfur atom is a product part. So reactant part is also 10 into 1 10 sulfur atom, here also 1 sulfur atom, so 8 apply. So 8 further apply will be directly enter to water molecules is also 8 apply, students. So is that short trick method. What is the short trick method? Find out the outermost valence of electron. So is the short trick. So balance of equation, 10 times of ferrous sulfate, 2 times of potassium permanganate, 8 moles of sulfuric acid. Given the product, ferrous sulfate 5 moles, 2 moles of manganese sulfate, potassium sulfate, 8 times of water molecules. So next discuss ion electrons method. So next discuss ion electron method. This method used for ionic redox reaction, same oxidation reduction find out. So using oxidation number concept, write to the separate half reactions. So oxidation reaction separate and reduction reaction separate. How to the involve of protons from equations involved. So find out the given the same equation, ferrous sulfate, potassium permanganate, sulfuric acid. So do not balance the equation, reactant and product part, manganese sulfate, ferrous sulfate, potassium sulfate, water molecule is also given the equation. How to that ion electron method find out. So involve of the reaction, potassium will be 1 electrons loss, remove to the gain of 1 electron oxygen atom. Okay students, next involve of Fe2 plus already find out. So involve of the atoms only, reaction find out only, write it. How to the find out? Outermost electrons of Fe2 plus means 4 3d6 4s2 original configuration, 2 electrons loss, you will be mention of plus 2 plus. So easy find out. And this is involve of protons, H plus only. And manganese, how to that identify? Argon 18 and next 3d 5 4s2, so 2 electrons only loss, so Mn2 plus. And next here also again 1 electrons loss, 3d6 again 1 electrons loss, so Fe3 plus. And find out the product of water molecules, the proton converted the water molecules. So off reaction will be right. So oxidation of Fe2 plus to Fe3 plus from the one off reaction, Fe2 plus to Fe3 plus, 1 electron again loss for product part. So equation number consider of 2 from the whole equation 1. So next equation, manganese 2 plus. So manganese involve of the reaction, 7 electrons will be reactions. So recollect of the 5 electrons, will be work out the 5 electrons and find out oxidation number method, and the product part manganese 2 plus. So equation number 3, consider the 2 off reactions, balance of electrons. So third equation is the 5 electrons is also equation 1 in multiply with 5. So equation here also 2 is a multiply with 5. So 5 into Fe2 plus 5 2 plus, and 5 into Fe3 plus 5 into 1 electron 5 electrons. Next same the equation here after adding with how times is the protons will be involved, the product part is also proton involved. So proton how many time of is will be react with the oxide atom. So 1 water molecules 2 times of protons. So 4 oxide atom here. So 8 time of protons is also important. So apply with 8 protons is the equation from 3 apply. MnO4 minus 5 electrons same, 8 protons given, Mn2 plus adding with how many time of water molecule, students? 4 oxide atom means 8 protons involved, so 4 water molecule given the product. Cancel of 5 electrons, so LHS part will be right 5 Fe2 plus MnO4 in minus plus 8 protons 5 Fe3 plus Mn2 plus and 4 water molecules. This is a ion electron method balance. So first lesson will be completed, students. Thank you to all.